Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home with the presence of our loving God. Today we are going to learn the subject science. In science, last week we learned one lesson. Do you remember the name of the lesson? Yes, very good. It's lesson 3. What's the name of the lesson? What helps us know things? What helps us know things? Yes. Do you understand the name of the lesson? What helps us know things? Last week we learned the lesson briefly. Today we are going to learn it fully. Shall we see it? Yes. We know things. How we know things? In the last lesson we learned, no? Lesson 2. Yes. How we know things? We know things by the sound, by feel, and then by taste, by sound, by smell. By these ways we can find out the things, no? Yes. Today we are going to see which part in our body helps us to find out these things. Which part in our body helps us to find out these things. Now look at here. What is it? Very good. Eyes. O-U-R, our E-Y-E-S, eyes. Our eyes. For what purpose our eyes helps? Yes, our eyes helps us to see. Very good. Our eyes helps us to see. Now I explain you. Look at here. What is this? Very good. Ball. What is this? Ball. What size is it, children? It is a big ball. Very good. What color it is? It is colorful. So many colors are there, no? Yes, it's colorful. And what shape is it? It is rounded shape. Very good. You can find out the object. What is its size? What's its color? And what is its shape? You can find out now. How you find out now? By using the eye. Very good. Now look at the next one. Who is he? He is a boy. Very good. Who is she? She is a girl. Now what is this? Tree. Very good. Now where the boy is? The boy is near the tree. Now where the girl is? The girl is far from the tree. The boy is near to the tree and the girl is far from the tree. How you find out the boy is near and the girl is far? By using the eye. Now you understand? Yes. Shall we read it? Look at here. Our eyes. Our eyes help us see things. Our eyes helps us to see the things. Not only to see the things, they also help us to know the size, color and shape of the things. To know the size, color and shape of the things. They also help us know how far or near things are. Now you find out, no, where the boy is, where the girl is. The boy is near and the girl is far. You find out, no? Yes, how you find out? By using the eyes. Now you understand, children? Yes, our eyes helps us to see. Not only to see, to know the size, color and shape of the object. And help us to find out where the object is. It is far or near. And look at the next one. The next organ. O-U-R, our S-K-I-N, skin. O-U-R, our S-K-I-N, skin. Look at here. Our skin. Our skin. How our skin help us? Our skin help us by touching and feeling the things. Helps us to feel things. Our skin helps us to feel things. Skin is covered all over our body, you know? Yes. Very good. Now I explain to you, children. Look at here. What is this? Yes. When you touch this, how you feel? Yes. It is hot. When you touch this cup, how you feel? Hot. When you touch this glass tumbler, how you feel, children? Yes. It's very cold. Yes. By touching the things, we can tell the object is hot or cold, it is soft or hard, smooth or rough, and then sharp or blunt. Okay. Now, in our body, these two things are best at feeling. What are the two things? PALM, palm, and then FINGERS, fingers. Our palm and our fingers are best at feeling things. Now you understand this? Yes. Our skin, look at here. Our skin helps us feel things. Our skin helps us feel things. Skin is covered all over our body. By touching things, we can tell if they are hot or cold by touching the things. By touching the tea tumbler or coffee tumbler, hot thing, hot soup, you can say it is hot. And you can touch the cold object. When you touch the juice tumbler, chill juice tumbler, you can find it's cold, no? Yes. And then soft or hard. When you touch the cotton, you feel soft, no? And then when you touch the bark of a tree, it is very hard. And then when you touch tomato, you feel smooth. Yes. And when you touch the scrubber, your mommy use it in the kitchen, no? Yes. When you touch this, you feel, yes, it's very rough. And when you touch the pencil, you are using pencil, no? Yes. When you touch the tip of the pencil itself, you can find out, no? The pencil is sharp or blunt. Yes. Very good. Now look at the next one. Our palms and fingers are best at feeling things. What are the two things that are best at feeling things? Yes. What are the two organs? Yes. Palms and fingers. Now you understand clearly, children, about our skin. Next we are going to see, yes, you are right, our NOSE, nose, our nose. Our nose, how our nose helps us to find out things? Yes, by the way we smell. By smell we can find out how the object is. Now look at here. Yes, look at here. Here we have good smell, G-O-O-D, good. And then here we have bad smell, B-A-D, bad. Our nose helps us to smell the things. Not only to smell, the things are good or bad also we can find out by smelling. Look at here. These are the things that are having good smell, and it's an example for bad smell. Okay, children. Now look at here. We smell with our nose. How we smell? We smell with our nose. Our nose tells us if something smells nice or bad. Our nose tells us. Where is our nose? Yes, very good. How many nose we have? Only one nose. Very good. Our nose tells us if something smells nice or bad. It is good or bad. Our nose tells us. Not only that, it also tells us if it smells strong or mild. It smells strong or mild also. Our nose helps us to find out. Now you understand this? Using this, we can play a game also. Which flavor? This is another game for you and your friends. Collect fallen flowers. Shut your eyes. Smell them one by one. How many do you know by their smell? We can play it as a game also. Collect so many flowers, variety of flowers, and by smelling we can find out what flower is it. Now you understand about nose, children? Now we pass on to, yes, O-U-R-E-A-R-S, ears. Our ears. O-U-R-E-A-R-S, ears. We hear with our ears. We hear with our ears. Very good. Our ears. How we hear with our ears? Yes, our ears tell us if the sound is soft or loud. How the sound is. It is very soft or loud also we can find out. And they also tell us if a sound is sharp or dull. If a sound is sharp or dull. Now look at here. Here we have the example for this. When you open the door in the car and when you shut it, what sound you can get? We get a dull sound. D-U-L-L, dull, S-O-U-N-D, sound. Very good. And then look at here. A boy is blowing whistle. A boy is blowing whistle. What sound you get? Sharp sound. Very good. S-H-A-R-P, sharp. S-O-U-N-D, sound. Sharp sound. And look at here. What is this? Firecrackers. Firecrackers. What sound you get from firecrackers? Yes. L-O-U-D, loud. S-O-U-N-D, sound. Loud sound. And look at this. What the boy or girl is doing? Yes. She is turning the pages in the book. When you turn the pages in the book, what sound you get? The sound is very loud? No, it is soft. S-O-F-T, soft. S-O-U-N-D, sound. Now you understand? Our eyes helps us to hear the sound. Not only to hear the sound, it helps us to find out how the sound is. It is soft or loud. And the sound is short or dull. Now you understand this? Yes. Now shall we pass on to the next one? Look at here. O-U-R, our, T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. Our tongue. Our tongue. How our tongue helps us? Our tongue, our taste, we taste with our tongue. We taste with our tongue. Our tongue helps us to taste the things. Very good. And our tongue helps us know salty, sweet, bitter and sour tastes. Taste. These are the name of the taste. I'll show you in pictures. Look at here. What is this, children? Sugar. Very good. What taste is it? Sugar is sweet. What taste is it? Sugar is sweet. And look at the next one. What is this? Very good. Bitter gourd. You all like to eat it? Yes. But someone like to eat this. Some of them don't like to eat it. Don't avoid eating this. It's good for your health. Okay, children? You should eat this. Okay, children? What's the spelling for bitter gourd? B-I-T-T-E-R, bitter. G-O-U-R-D, gourd. Bitter gourd. Bitter gourd is bitter. What taste it has? Bitter. In the, yes, vegetable name itself, we got the answer. Bitter gourd, bitter. Bitter gourd, bitter. And look at the next one. What is this? You all love to eat this. Yes. What is this? Potato chips. Very good. But it's not good for us. Okay. Too much of eating is bad for our health. Okay. You have a limit to eat this potato chips. Now, potato chips. What taste is it? Yes. Very good. It is salty. What's the taste of the potato chips? Salty. Very good. And look at the next one. What is this? Lemon. Very good. What's the spelling for lemon? L-E-M-O-N, lemon. What taste is it? Sour taste. S-O-U-R, sour. Lemon is sour. Now we understand how our tongue helps us. Our tongue helps us to, yes, taste the food. Not only to taste the food. What are the tastes are there? What are the tastes are there? That also we can find out. What are the tastes we learn now? Yes. Shall we see once again? Sugar is sweet. And then bitter gourd is bitter. And potato chips are salty. And then lemon is sour. Now we understand it clearly, children? Yes. Look at here once again. Our tongue. We taste with our tongue. Our tongue helps us know salty, sweet, bitter and sour tastes. Okay. These are the things we can find out by using our tongue. Now we learn about 5 organs in our body. 5 parts. What are they? Shall we have a recap? Yes. Can you tell me? What are they? Yes. Our eyes, our skin, our nose, our ears and then our tongue. How our eyes help us? Eyes helps us to see. Skin helps us to feel things. Nose helps us to smell. And ears helps us to hear. And then tongue helps us to taste. Now we understand the lesson clearly, children? Yes, I hope you all understand it clearly. Now we are going to do the book exercises. Now look at here. Match these. SEEC, HEAR here, TASTE taste, SMELL smell, TOUCH touch. And here you have the options TONGUE tongue, SKIN skin, EARS ears, EYES eyes, NOSE nose. Now we are going to match this. First write numbers here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we are going to match this. And here we have the how it is helping us and which organ is helping. We are going to match it. Now number 1, SEEC. Which organ in our body helps us to see? SEEC. Yes, very good. Eyes. This is number 1. Eyes helps us to see. And look at number 2. HEAR, hear. Very good. EAR, here. It's all. Here we have the same spelling, no? Yes. Ears. EARS, ears. That is number 2. Easy to find out here. Ear. Yes, children. Now look at the third one. Taste. TASTE, taste. How we taste? By using the tongue. Very good. TONGUE, tongue. And look at the fourth one. Smell. SMELL, smell. How we smell? Yes. We smell with our nose. NOSE, nose. And look at the last one. TOUCH, touch. How you touch? By the skin. SKIN, skin. That is number 5. Now we complete this. You all understand this, children? Shall we do the next exercise? Look at here. Right R for right R for right. Right R for right. The correct one. Here we have RIGHT, right. Here we have WRITE, right. Okay. This means writing. And RIGHT, right, means yes, correct one. Okay, children. And W for wrong. R for right and W for wrong we have to write now. Look at here. Number 1, sugar. SUGAR, sugar. ISS, SALTY, salty. Sugar is salty. Sugar is salty, children? No, sugar is sweet. So this is the wrong statement. So what you have to do? You have to write W. That's the wrong one, no? And look at the second one. Yeah, rose feels sweet. By feeling itself, when we touch the rose flower and feel itself, we can say it is sweet. No, we can find out it's hot or cold, sharp or blunt, smooth or rough, and then hard or soft. That only we can find out by touching. Yes, we can find out it is sweet by touching it, by feeling it. No, so that is also wrong. Rose smells only sweet. Okay, and then look at the third one. A car horn sounds loud. How's the horn sound of the car? When we shut the door only, we can get a dull sound. But the horn sound of the car is loud only. So this is the correct one. We have to write R. And then ice cream. Look at the fourth one. Ice cream smells cold. Ice cream is cold. Yes, ice cream is cold, but it smells cold. It smells cold. No, it's wrong. So what you have to do? You have to write W. Ice cream tastes sweet, but when we smell, we can find out it is cold. No, it's a wrong statement. And look at the fifth one. Milk is white. What's the color of the milk? White only. So it's the correct statement. So what you have to write? R. Now you understand this, children? Yes. Now we complete the lesson and then the book exercise. Today's homework, what you have to do? You have to read the lesson in your book. You have to read the lesson. What lesson? What helps us know things in your book, and you have to complete the book exercises. Now we complete the matching and right for wrong and W for wrong and R for right. We did it, no? Yes, that exercise you should complete. Okay, children, I hope you all understand the lesson clearly. We will meet in the next session. Thank you, children.